In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Cloud account without a credit card, using Google's free options like the BigQuery Sandbox. This method is perfect if you're a student, beginner, or developer who wants to explore Google Cloud services without entering any billing details. A lot of people think a credit card is mandatory, but that's not completely true, and I'll walk you through exactly what you can and cannot do for free. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software and cloud tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to cloud.google.com. From here, click on the Get Started for Free button. Google will often promote the $300 free trial, which normally requires a credit card. But instead of activating the trial, we're going to use the free tier and the BigQuery Sandbox, which do not require any billing setup. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you don't already have one, you can create a standard Google account first because that's all you need to proceed. Once you're logged in, go to the Google Cloud Console by visiting console.cloud.com. When the console loads, Google may prompt you to create or select a project. Go ahead and create a new project by clicking the project drop-down at the top and selecting New Project. Give your project a simple name and click Create. This step does not require any payment information. Now, with your project created, look at the left-hand navigation menu and scroll down to find BigQuery. Click on BigQuery, and this is where the magic happens. The BigQuery Sandbox allows you to use BigQuery without a credit card and without enabling billing. When BigQuery opens, you may see a message explaining that you are using the Sandbox mode. This confirms that no billing account is attached. From here, you can run queries, explore public datasets, and practice SQL, all completely free within the Sandbox limits. Next, let's talk about other services you can access without a credit card. Google Cloud also gives you limited access to Cloud Shell, which is an online terminal you can use directly in your browser. You can open Cloud Shell by clicking the terminal icon in the top right corner of the console. This lets you run basic commands, manage resources, and learn Google Cloud tools without setting up billing. Additionally, some App Engine and compute features are available under the Always Free tier, but keep in mind that usage is limited and subject to quotas. As long as you stay within those limits, you won't be asked for payment details. It's very important to understand the difference between the free trial and the free tier. The $300 free trial always requires a credit card for verification, even if you don't get charged, but the free tier and BigQuery Sandbox do not require any card at all. If Google ever prompts you to enable billing, simply skip that step and continue using the services that are available without billing. Finally, always monitor your usage in the console to make sure you stay within free limits. You can check quotas and usage from the IAM and admin or billing sections, even if billing is not enabled. And that's it. You've now successfully created and used a Google Cloud account without a credit card by using the BigQuery Sandbox and free tier services. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more cloud, software, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.